Welcome to Alan's Yummy Food Stories. So today guys we are making a coconut laddu. So if you like this recipe then try it out for yourself and leave your opinion in the comment section below. So now let's make the recipe. So the ingredients chosen to make this is desiccated coconut, which you can learn how to make in the previous episode. Then we got some ghee, as you can see we got some ghee. Then we got some sugar powder. And then after that we got some milk here, and then we 1 cup is required to make the mixture. And then we got some cashews which we'll crush. Then we got some raisins which we'll soon split into half. And then we'll convert this cardamom here into powder. So now these are the ingredients. So the first thing to do here is to crush these cashews. So crush them really well. Then heat up a pan and pour 2 tablespoons of ghee. And then pour the desiccated coconut, which actually is for 2 coconuts. Make sure to stir it well without making it burn or without getting it burnt, all while on low flame heat. After that, add a cup of milk here. You should add 1 cup of milk and then stir it up. And only after that we need to add 3 tablespoons of milk powder. This is also an important ingredient here. So after adding that, repeat the process of stirring and then add 3/4 of cups of sugar and then mix it well thoroughly like this. So after that you must add some cardamom powder, and after mixing for a couple of times the sugar will soon start to merge with the coconut and also the milk. Only after that will you add the crushed cashews and also the raisins which are split in half. And then after that stir it for 3 minutes. So as you can see, now the mixture is ready. After resting it for 3 minutes, turn it in a bowl. Then after the bowl, you must decorate the bowl with the leftover desiccated coconut, which is used for garnishing. And then after garnishing it lots of times, now the coconut laddu is ready. So now I'm going to taste test it and see how it tastes. So now guys, I'm going to taste the coconut laddu here. So guys, first I want to show you its inside. So as you can see, the inside looks so good, as you can see. So now I'm going to bite into it. So good. So the combined with the so the combined taste. So the combined taste of the cashews, the lychees, and also the raisins make a pretty fabulous taste. Add with the extra added coconut, it makes it even better. You want to eat this all day long. So guys, if you like this recipe, then you can try it out yourself. And also, if you like the recipe, you can put a suggestion. So if you like this video, make sure to like the video, click on the subscribe button, and also hit the bell notifications so that you will not miss a single notification about my next amazing video. So, and also share this to your families and friends. And with that out of the way, bye.